In today's world, houses have become quite the show, with many people now loading up their homes with some of the best quality designs, amenities, and other things that just make it so desirable that you probably won't even want to leave. With these homes being packed with some of the finest things you can think of, it's only normal to expect the huge costs that come with them. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at some of the most luxurious and modern homes in the world today. Do stay tuned and enjoy. Number 1. Brentwood Oasis. This property spans over 1.2 acres and has 30,000 square feet of outdoor space and 18,000 feet of indoor space. There are 11 bedrooms, 11 bathrooms, 3 rooftop decks, gourmet appliances, and a built-in private security group to ensure the privacy and safety of residents. The property is also pretty amazing in terms of other things it's packed with. And to start, it comes with several sport-related features, including a half basketball court, a TV wall with room for 9 screens, a gym, a sports simulator room, as well as indoor and outdoor pools. The home also features an office, bar, hair salon, spa, a 1,000-gallon aquarium, as well as an impressive 10-car showroom with floor-to-ceiling glass walls and unique lighting that illuminate an entire car collection. The place is owned by hedge fund executive Jeffrey Feinberg, and it is worth $44 million. Number 2. One Bel Air. This property is a 105,000 square foot mega mansion that is said to be the biggest modern home in the United States. It has 21 bedrooms, 42 bathrooms, a 10,000 square foot sky deck, a 10,000 bottle wine cellar in the dining room, a full service beauty salon, and a wellness spa. The mansion also has its own bar and cigar lounge, and there's also an entertainment room for activities such as playing billiards. Inside, there's also a private bowling alley, a private movie theater, and a private nightclub as well. The property also gets 5 swimming pools, with a floating lounge also among the things present as well. The mansion also has its own juice bar, exercise room, and library. The mega mansion in Los Angeles was developed by Now Miami, and despite having an initial valuation of $500 million prior to completion, it's now rated to be worth just below $200 million. Number 3. Villa Cullinan. Located in Spain is another pretty amazing mansion in the Villa Cullinan. It's reported to be worth around $32 million, and it's got a total of 10 bedrooms, 14 bathrooms, as well as a decent amount of space, and also access to some of the best views in the city. On entry, the property has a huge waterfall and cascades designed to welcome you in. There's also a 10-car garage coupled with an air of serenity that can be enjoyed even before you step into the house. The house has got a living room with panoramic floor-to-ceiling windows, and aside from the bedrooms, there are 2 kitchens, 2 pools, a yoga room, a gym, a hammam, saunas, billiards and bar room, a spa, as well as a room that serves as an office. There's also a cinema room that is equipped with some really stunning facilities to make the experience even more enjoyable. Number 4. Xanadu 2.0. This home is owned by popular tech billionaire Bill Gates, and it actually took 7 years to build. The 66,000 square foot waterfront estate in Medina, Washington cost Gates $63 million, and the house is known to be packed with several impressive high-tech amenities, including a sensor system that regulates temperature and lighting, an underwater music system in the pool, and a computer screen displayed artwork that can be changed with a click of a button. The mansion also has a trampoline room with a 20-foot ceiling, an enormous reception hall, 24 bathrooms, 6 kitchens, a large library, a home theater, a 23-car garage, and a total of 7 bedrooms. The house is currently valued at $127 million, which is more than what Gates paid for it years back. Number 5. Palazzo d'Amore. This house in Beverly Hills is owned by billionaire developer Jeffrey Green. The house has access to spectacular views of Los Angeles, and that's only just part of the amazing things to expect from this one-time most expensive home in the United States. The house comes with a hillside vineyard, manicured gardens and a waterfall, a Turkish spa, a DJ booth with a revolving dance floor and laser light system, a 50-seat movie theater, and parking space for up to 150 cars. The Mediterranean-style mansion also has a total of 12 bedrooms and 23 bathrooms, and there's also a floating-style glass floor walkway over the pools. There's a 128-foot reflecting pool and a fountain, as well as a spa, barbecue area, and a tennis court also present in the premises. Despite being first valued to be worth around $195 million, it's now just around $129 million in worth. If you got the chance, which of these houses would you love to spend a night in? Let us know in the comments section. If you also enjoyed the video, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, you should also check out Beverly Hills' most expensive $857 million home.